How to fix account has been locked for violating community guidelines. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your account has been locked for violating community guidelines, you can actually vote an appeal on the lock screen. Once you have been notified regarding the lock of your account, you will see the pop-up screen, making sure that you have the option of appeal decision. Here you can just click on appeal decision option to start the appeal process. If your appeal was successful, Snapchat will email you and let you know that your appeal was successful and your account has been unlocked, and any strike against your account has been removed. If your appeal is denied, then Snapchat will again email you regarding the deny and that your account has been permanently deleted. In that case, you may have to create a new Snapchat account. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and if you don't know what are the community guidelines or terms and conditions of Snapchat, make sure to search for Snapchat terms and condition on Google and check it out as well. So this is how you can solve your account has been locked. Thank you so much for tuning in.